guys, welcome to my channel. So me being the smart person I am, I totally forgot to record an intro. So if you want to know how to get this look, please keep watching. So with every look, I like to start out with a fresh, clean face, my hair back, and I like to wear a t-shirt just in case I get any makeup anywhere. So I completely forgot to do my eye makeup before I do my foundation. I do this all the time and then I end up having to change my look. So let me know if you guys have ever done that because I do it all the time. Next, I'm going to prime my eyes with my Stay All Day Concealer by Stila in shade Medium. So I've never used the Morphe palette before, but I was clearly excited. A little too much. And this is what the palette looks like. It's called the Morphe 35B palette. So first I'm going to go in with this white eyeshadow shade and I'm going to set my concealer. You don't have to use white, but for some reason I chose white. I recommend using the color tan though because that color is always good for setting your eye concealer. Now I'm just going to go in with this salmon, kind of a light pink color, and I'm going to focus that into my brow bone and my crease. This is going to be my transitional color, which is going to help me kind of make an ombre effect. The transitional color is going to be very important in your makeup look because it's going to help blend and pretty much complete your look. I'm going to take this pink mauve color and I'm going to focus it into the outer corner and the crease of the eye, and as I blend into the crease I'm going to bring it further and further up into the brow bone, making sure that I do not go all the way into the brow bone. I try to avoid going into the brow bone because that can always make you look like you're overdoing your look or exaggerating it. It all depends on the eyelids and the eye shape. There's a lot of people who have very small eyes, so they have to do that. It depends on the person and their preference. Now I'm going to take this purple kind of pink color and I'm going to focus this into the outer corner of my eye and blend it slightly into the crease. Using a darker color is going to help create depth and also give me the dramatic look that I want. And here I'm just taking my transitional color and pretty much blending everything together. Here I'm going to take this flat brush and I'm going to dip it into this neon pink color right here. I did this for two reasons. The first reason being I wanted that extra pop of color, and the second reason being I was having a lot of trouble with this palette. The colors were a lot chalkier than I was expecting. I was really expecting the palette to have a creamy, nice texture, but the colors weren't blending well for me. For that reason, I went in with this neon pink color. I outlined the crease of the eyelid and I blended it in. And then I went back with my flat brush and I corrected any errors that I needed to correct and then blended it in again. I want my look to be dramatic, so I'm going to take this plum color and I'm going to bring this further up into my brow bone. I brought it a little bit too far up, but I will fix that. I'm going to take my transitional shade one last time and I'm going to fix and blend everything together. I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and I'm going to place it in the middle of my eye and blend it out. Then I go in with a square flat brush just to fix the details. I promise I'm not attempting a cut crease. I'm doing this because I want my eyelids to look smaller than they actually are, so that when I put on the lashes, it's gonna look really dramatic. Then I went in with this light pink shimmery eyeshadow and I packed that all over the lid. The color wasn't pigmented enough for me, so I tried to take my setting spray and wet the brush and then use it, and that worked a little bit. I use this mini eyeshadow brush which is so slept on. It's like a little mini beauty blender, and it worked really well. But it still wasn't the right amount of pigment that I wanted, so then I just used my hand again. You cute, you cute, you cute, you cute. My eyebrows were pretty easy. I know a lot of people struggle with doing their eyebrows, and I have my good and bad days with them, and this just so happened to be a really good day. I wanted this video to be mostly focused on the eyes, so I'm going to speed through the rest of the video. Remember, everything will be linked in the description box, and if you have any questions or comments, just leave them below and I'll try to answer them.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Think I can fly, think I can fly when I'm with you. My arms are wide, catching fire as the wind blows. I know that I'm rich enough for pride. I see $1 billion in your eyes, even if we're strangers till we die. see $1 billion in your eyes, even if we're strangers till we die. I wanna run away. I wanna run away. Anywhere out this place. I wanna run away. Just you and I. You and I.
It's alright. They're hella cute, hella awesome, and hella just cool. So this is the finished look. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.